In this Fiverr affiliates review, I'm going to be showing you if it is really possible to make money using this affiliate program. So make sure you guys stay to the end of this review as I'm going to show you if Fiverr affiliate is worth your time. If you're new to my channel, my name is Vijay Koshi. I'm a 7-figure affiliate marketer. I'll do these reviews every single day so that you can get the best ideas about new websites, software and courses. So I would like to mention that there is a link that is given in the description, which is basically a free affiliate marketing guide that has personally helped me to go from zero to $5,000 to $10,000 per month. So now let's jump into the video. So as you all know, Fiverr is like one of the biggest freelancing websites. So this is their site and this is what they look like. So Fiverr is like one of the biggest and largest freelancing site. So it can give you variety of services such as graphic design, programming and tech, digital marketing, video and animation, writing and translation, music and audio, business, consulting, data, AI services. So you're going to be getting all these services if you go to Fiverr. So you guys can provide these services as well as you can sell these services for a money. So in the Fiverr affiliate program, what you're going to be doing is that you're going to be promoting one of the services that has been provided by the sellers. So you're going to be promoting one of these services. So let me show you how that's done. So let's select this guy who's basically a translator to English to German. Let's have a look at him. So for the basic he charges $5 and the standard he charges about $54, and for the premium he charges of $25. So that's what he charges to translate from English to German. So that's great. Or he translate from German to English as well. So it's great. So how you can be earning is that you can promote these services to people who are interested in these services and you can get a portion of this $225. So how that works is that let me show you their affiliate page. So if you scroll all the way down till here, you can see that there is 3 ways that you can really make money using the Fiverr affiliate program. So the first program is the marketplace gigs. These are the ordinary gigs that you find in the Fiverr website like this one. So these are the normal gigs. Then comes the pro gigs in which you can get up to 70% for your order. So that's pretty great. So if you look at this, if you make someone buy the premium version, which is $225, you can get about 25% for your first order. So that's a pretty good side hustle, I would say. But if it were me, I would have gone for the pro services because you can get up to 70% for your first order. So I would have gone for the pro services. Let me show how the pro services work. So you have to go for one of the pro gigs. So for example, let me type in content writer. And what you have to do is enable the pro services, in which you can see all the pro services. So these are the pro services that are provided. So these are more expensive than the usual marketplace gigs. The pro is gonna cost you much more. So let's have a look at what this guy is doing. So he will write marketing content. So that's great. He charges, for the basic charge is the $180. Then comes the standard, which is gonna cost you $310, and for the premium you can get about $400. So imagine guys, if you make someone buy this $400 gig, if you make someone buy using the $400 gig, you can get up to 70% for your first order. And after the first order, you will be only getting 10% of the future orders, but the first order is always going to get you 70%. So that's actually a pretty great way you can make money. So I think it is a fantastic way. You can use Fiverr affiliate. I would really highly recommend it. The way it works is that you have to join their affiliate program. You have to sign up all this and you will be provided with a link. So you will get a link to this Matthew M gig and you have to promote this link to people that are actually interested in the Fiverr affiliate program, and that way you can earn up to 25% of or 70% of the gig money. So the reason why they give you so much percentage is because it is basically a service based business. So if it were a product based business, you wouldn't have earned this much. It would have been probably 5, 10 or 15% maximum. But in this case, since it is a service based, you can get up to 25 and 70% of the first order. I highly recommend this. And they also promote their logo maker. So this is like one of the features that you can get in the Fiverr. So they basically have this AI logo maker, and if you promote their product, promote their service, you can get up to $30 for your first order if you promote this gig for them. So that's also great. So I would highly recommend you for you guys to start. The way you can promote is you can promote this affiliate link. If you have a YouTube channel, you can promote your affiliate link to the YouTube video. Or suppose if you have a TikTok account, you can promote it in the TikTok account as well. Or suppose if you have Instagram, you can also do that as well. So if you're a beginner, it would be like really hard for you guys to make some money in YouTube, Instagram and TikTok. So I would suggest is that you have to go to Google and you can search in local businesses and you can ask them if they want these services. So if one of the local people want a marketing content guy, you can promote this service by giving them this affiliate link, and in that way you can make 70% of the $400. So it's an excellent way to make a good side income. So that's it for this Fiverr affiliate marketing review. If you want to check my #1 recommended strategy that is personally making me from $5,000 to $10,000 per month, make sure you guys click the link in the description. I really hope you guys enjoyed this review of Fiverr affiliate, and I hope to see you on another review video.